Sometimes once we've finished our shoe, we get this problem where the counter stiffener sort of bows out a little bit and ends up looking something like this. That is really common and it's a super quick fix, so let me show you how I do it. First thing I'm going to want to do is take my heat gun and I'm going to reactivate the counter stiffener through the leather. So it's really important that we don't hold the heat gun on any one area for too long because we don't want to burn the leather. So I usually do a little bit from the inside and a little bit on the outside just to give it a sort of even overall heating. Once you've heated it through and you can feel that your counter stiffener has become malleable again, all you want to do is pinch the top like that and simply hold it in place until it dries in that position. Now this can come in really handy if you've got a narrow ankle and you want to sort of tighten up that heel area so that the shoe fits or stays on your foot a little bit nicer. Now, why does this happen? Usually when it's a high heel, when we're screwing the heel in through the insole board, it's catching on the edge of the counter stiffener, and as we screw it in, it sort of bends or warps the counter stiffener on the inside and creates that kind of bowed out shape like that. When you've got a flat shoe, however, it can still happen as well, but it's not happening because of any movement that you're doing by screwing anything in, because obviously we're not screwing anything in. So it can happen partly if you've taken the last out too soon and the counter stiffener hasn't quite had time to stiffen up yet, or it can happen just as we're sort of moving and working on the shoe that we might be stretching it or warping it a little bit. Either way, it's the exact same fix as working on a high heel. Now, if you're using a vegan or faux leather or a material that isn't leather, you can use the exact same technique. You just want to be really careful that you're not burning your upper. So just keep that heat gun moving and follow the exact same instructions.